Ori E Tū Whānau, we're here at the Māori's National Basketball Tournament held in Rotorua. And today I'll be asking players how they incorporate our values into their games. Let's go. Kia ora, tamariki ma.
Kia ora.
Ko wai tō ingoa?
Rodi.
Ko wai tō ingoa?
Vitali.
Zoram tuku ingoa.
Ko Ezra tōku ingoa.
Kia ora, Ezra.
Kia ora mō wai.
So today our values here, we are talking about whakapapa. So who are you representing today?
Kaungunu here tainga.
Kia ora.
Ngāti Toa, and we both originate from Ngāpui.
Kaungunu here tainga.
I'm representing the mighty Hauraki.
Now next value, manaaki. So how do you build the mana of your teammates when you're playing?
Keeping that intensity and also having a positive attitude and speaking positive.
Tautoko them, words of encouragement,
Up high.
cheer them on.
Oh, I cheer for them.
Cheer for them. Today's value is kōrero awhi. Can you teach me something in te reo Māori that you use while cheering on your mates?
Kia kaha koutou.
Kia ora. Now, can you show me how you do it on the court? Let's go.
Kia kaha haere tonu.
Mahi tahi!
Kia kaha!
Poe mate piki me mate ururua.
Kia kaha koutou.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
Oma! Oma!
Yep, I like to say huro.
Huro? Can you give that to me as loud as you can, please? Let's go.
Huro!
Yeah,
kapai,
And that concludes the week at our National Basketball Tournament here in Rotorua. So the next time you're playing basketball, you know how to build the mana of your teammates and you know how to use kōrero awhi. Mauri ora.